Ever feel like your amazing services are hidden away, just waiting for the right person to stumble upon them? You've got your social media buzzing, your website looking sharp, and maybe even a Linktree doing its thing. But what if I told you there's a super simple way to turn that Linktree traffic into actual bookings, without the hassle of endless DMs or back-and-forth emails? Think about it. Someone clicks on your Linktree, intrigued by what you offer. They see your website, your Instagram, maybe a blog post. Great, right? But then what? They have to navigate to a separate contact page, fill out a form, or try to figure out your availability. That's friction, my friend, and friction can mean lost opportunities. What if, right there on your Linktree, they could see your available slots and book an appointment in seconds? No extra tabs, no confusion, just a seamless path from discovery to confirmed booking. Sounds pretty powerful, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unlock today. We're going to show you how to integrate Setmore, a fantastic online scheduling platform, directly into your Linktree. This isn't some complicated tech wizardry. It's a straightforward process that can make a huge difference in how you connect with your audience and, more importantly, how you get booked. Now, you might be thinking, another platform to manage? Another link to add? And I get it. We're all trying to streamline our workflows, not add more layers of complexity. But trust me on this one. Integrating Setmore with Linktree is about simplifying things, both for you and your potential clients. Setmore is designed to handle all the nitty-gritty of scheduling, availability, confirmations, reminders, even payments. By embedding it into your Linktree, you're essentially putting your booking calendar right where your audience already is. It's like setting up a mini reception desk on the platform that's already driving traffic your way. So why is this such a game changer? Firstly, it's about convenience. In today's fast-paced world, people expect instant gratification. If they're interested in your services, they want to be able to act on that interest immediately. A booking button on your Linktree allows them to do just that, anytime, anywhere. Secondly, it reduces friction. Every extra step a potential client has to take decreases the likelihood of them actually booking. By eliminating the need to navigate away from your Linktree and figure out your booking process, you're making it incredibly easy for them to commit. Thirdly, it improves your organization. Say goodbye to juggling messages and trying to coordinate schedules manually. Setmore automates the booking process, updating your calendar in real time and sending out confirmations and reminders, freeing up your time to focus on what you do best. Finally, it can boost your bookings. By making it easier for people to book your services, you're naturally going to see more appointments coming through. It's about capitalizing on the traffic you're already generating and turning those clicks into paying clients. Alright, enough talk about why this is amazing. Let's dive into how you actually do it. The good news is that both Linktree and Setmore make this process incredibly user-friendly. First things first, you'll need to have a Setmore account. If you don't already have one, head over to their website and sign up. They often have free plans available to get you started, so you can explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for you. Once you've got your Setmore account set up and you've configured your services and availability, you're ready to connect it to your Linktree. Now log in to your Linktree account. You should see your list of existing links. We're going to add a new one. Click on the Add New Link button. Here, instead of a standard URL, we're going to look for an integration. Linktree has a growing list of integrations with various platforms, and thankfully, Setmore is one of them. Look for the Setmore option in the integrations list. It might be under a bookings or e-commerce category, or you can simply search for Setmore. Once you've found the Setmore integration, click on it. You'll likely be prompted to connect your Setmore account to your Linktree. This usually involves a simple authorization process where you log in to your Setmore account through Linktree and grant permission for the two platforms to communicate. Don't worry, this is a secure process. After you've successfully connected your accounts, you'll have a few options for how you want to display your Setmore booking on your Linktree. You might be able to choose specific services to feature, customize the button text. Instead of just book now, you could say schedule your free consultation or book your appointment today, and even adjust the appearance to match your branding. Take some time to explore these options and see what works best for you. You want to make it clear and enticing for your audience to click that booking link. Once you're happy with how it looks, save your changes in Linktree. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated your Setmore booking directly into your Linktree. Now, when someone visits your Linktree, they'll see a clear and prominent button that takes them directly to your Setmore booking page. They can browse your services, see your availability in real time, and book an appointment without ever leaving the Linktree environment. It's a seamless and efficient way to convert your Linktree traffic into actual bookings, saving you time, reducing friction, and ultimately helping you grow your business. Remember to test the link yourself to ensure everything is working correctly. Click on the Setmore link in your Linktree and go through the booking process as if you were a client. This will help you identify any potential issues and ensure a smooth experience for your audience. So, if you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to streamline your booking process and turn your Linktree into a lead-generating machine, integrating with Setmore is definitely worth considering. It's about making it as easy as possible for your audience to connect with you and access your amazing services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.